The Ford brand is experiencing a noteworthy change as the automaker moves from most vehicle models to an arrangement of hybrids, SUVs and pickup trucks. Among the models in transit is simply the 2020 Ford Bronco, in light of a similar design supporting the all-new 2019 Ford Ranger, alongside an anonymous and much littler hybrid model and one likely dependent on the Ford Focus. Clients will before long discover showrooms peppered with new and resuscitated nameplates. In spite of the fact that Ford has shared a few insights regarding the 2019 Ranger, we have even less data about the 2020 Bronco. By and by, we've cobbled together data from our sources to exhibit the most recent insights concerning this model. The 2020 Bronco will impart its stage to the Ranger just as with the Everest, which is a model promoted universally. Portage's objective model is the Jeep Wrangler. Along these lines, we anticipate that the Bronco's design should take after that of its overwhelming opponent. Further, its square-shaped shape will be the main thing that looks like the 2004 Bronco, a long prior dream idea, however never conveyed generation demonstrate. It is sensible to expect the Ford Bronco will get the Ranger turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-chamber motor alongside a 10-speed programmed transmission. We are likewise hearing that some kind of crossover powertrain will be accessible. This alternative won't just help with productivity, however, with the low-end torque mobility 4x4 fans prize. The Jeep Wrangler will likewise offer a half-and-half model, and we anticipate that the Bronco should present four-wheel drive just much the same as its adversary. Portage hasn't affirmed it, yet there is an unmistakable probability the 2020 Bronco will have strong axles, which gives prevalent enunciation rough terrain. Further, Dana Axles, the provider for the Jeep Wrangler, is the imaginable hotspot for the Bronco's axles. In conclusion, the 2020 Ford Bronco will be worked in the U.S., at the Michigan assembly plant in Wayne, Michigan. That plant made the before Bronco and will likewise fabricate the 2019 Ranger. With respect to the model expected to space beneath the Bronco and bearing the infant Bronco name, the new model will take on the subcompact Jeep Renegade. In any case, not at all like the body-on outline plan of the Bronco, the child Bronco will be founded on the Focus. In this way it will convey a more vehicle-like ride out and about while providing rough terrain capacities. Couple of little hybrids set out to coordinate. The all-new Bronco ought to touch base in fall 2019. With respect to the baby Bronco, its landing is somewhat farther as it will pursue the Focus Active Hybrid to the market, which touches base in Ford showrooms at generally a similar time as the new Bronco. Anticipate that official evaluating should end up accessible closer to dispatch.